everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got Maserati MC12. Both of these castings by Matchbox. One of them is the Matchbox Mainline and the other one is the Matchbox Collector. So the white one is from the Mainline and the black one is from Collector. Matchbox Collector is like what you have on Hot Wheels Premium, so slightly better details, metal base, rubber tire, all kind of stuff. But some of the Collectors do have plastic bases, which is I haven't seen that on a premium, a Hot Wheels Premium. So let's deep dive into it and see what are the things which are common, what is the stuff that's different. So if I talk about the stuff that's common in both of them, first of all, the body shell looks very identical. So does the interior. If you see the blue interior on this one and same blue interior on this one, same glass, spoiler and engine cover. So they look very identical when it comes to the basic shell. In the front, again, similar kind of details. You got detailed headlamp on both of them. And in fact, my Mainline has, I think, done better job with headlamps compared to Collector. Both of them get Maserati badges in front and on the grille. So front actually looks very identical in both of those. Like there's not a huge difference. Coming to the driver's side, and here where you can see some differences, not a lot again. You can see the hood latches and turn indicators are painted here on the Collector one, but the Mainline doesn't get that painted. Also, both of them get like chrome finish on their wheels, but the Collector one has the rubber tires and Mainline has plastic ones. Spoiler, again, plastic piece on both of them. I think Matchbox should have done a different color. Black hides a lot of lines on this one. Rear, again, there are some similarities, but the differences are very evident too. So both of them get nicely detailed rear ends, and on the Collector one you get more texture on the exhaust and the rear grille, so slightly more detailed. So are the tail lamps. Even tail lamps have slightly more painted details compared to the Mainline. Both of them get Maserati badges and stop lamps. So similar kind of details, but Collector one is comparatively more detailed. Passenger side, I think they look identical. Again, the hinges are painted on Collector one. Base, they have very similar finishes if you look, but the difference, the Collector one has a metal base and the Mainline has a plastic base. Apart from that, I think they have very similar finishes on them. Not a lot of details either. So should you spend whatever money the Collector is? I don't feel like on this one, especially because the Mainline is such nicely detailed. It has got such a good paint theme going on. White and blue looks really good. Actually pops out all the details, which I think the Collector is missing somewhere. Needed a better paint in my opinion, rather than black. Something else would have made it look so much better. So if you're not a die-hard fan of like Collector, if you just don't really want to have a Collector, the Mainline is good enough for this casting. That's what I think, because apart from tires and some details in the back, I don't see any major, like this particular Mainline is very nicely detailed. So even if you like, even with the wheels, the plastic wheels, it still looks really good. So yeah, in my opinion, the Mainline is good enough. You don't even need the Collector. That's what I think. You can agree with me or disagree with me. That's your opinion, because you may feel a different way. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.